Where is the Cascades? Let me just check. I'll ask this lady here. Ma'am, mangutan ako asang Cascades dapit?
Ma'am, narin ka na ito na ma'am. Unahan niya. Liko left.
Sige. Thank you, ma'am. She said that it's further and then you turn left. This seems like a subdivision or something here. There's some nice houses. Oh, you got there is the Cascades, and you. So not a lot of you, my viewers, are familiar with this Cascades Nature Park. So we are now entering. It seems to be a subdivision there. It's mostly concrete, nice houses, and now we are entering the real life Philippines. So this is the Cascades Nature Park. There, Cascade Nature Park. What you're looking at here is a nature resort here in Compostela, Cebu. It's called the Cascade Nature Park. I know some of you haven't heard about this one because I think they only opened last year. So I'm here right now to give you a tour of what this latest nature park here has to offer. And since not a lot of you is familiar about them, so it is all new for us, new for me. So this is the parking area. I don't know if they're gonna charge me for entrance fee, but because I'm not using the facilities, but I am also promoting them, I just park across here. Since everyone's awkwardly parking, I believe this is also a parking area. Just park properly. There. Turn off for a while. I'm here right now in Cascades Nature Park, and these are the rates that they are charging you. These are the pricing. Entrance is 200, children 160, 150, and you can see it there. They are open from 9 o'clock to 5 p.m. So I'm here to promote the Cascades Nature Park. I'm charged $150 just to come in which some don't, because I'm also promoting them. Some will. So here is the feature. They have a 600 square meter swimming pool. So they're only open from 9 to 5. They are located here in Compostela, Cebu. So this is one of the biggest swimming pool around Cebu City as of the moment. So this is a 600 square meter swimming pool. So you can also rent the cabanas. And you have seen the prices there. And also you can rent per table, which is popular among the locals. As you can see, a lot is renting by tables. So you can see the size of the swimming pool. And the shape. I'll ask how deep is the swimming pool. Kuya, yeah. Unsa gilaw mo sa swimming pool? Unsa gilaw mo swimming pool? 4 feet ta gilaw mo. So it's only 4 feet deep, so it's not so scary for your children. This is usually the size of, even in Marco Polo, they are only until 4 feet deep. The deepest I've seen for hotels is Montebello Villa Hotel, because the further end is quite deep. But unfortunately, they are closed now, being geared up to become another condominium. So here is Cascades swimming pool. And another thing that's really good here is they have a lake where you can do kayaking. So that's the surrounding. They have another man-made lake here. Function rooms. And they have a big lake. That goes for events and occasions. You can see that you can hire it here for your occasions and events. So you can see there's a wedding or something there, or debut, and it's full of fish. So the fish are all put in there because the lake is man-made, but it's still very interesting. You know, it's full of tilapia fish. So those cabanas there can also be rented. That you got the rates there. You can search them. Cascades Nature Park, Compostela. Oh, there's someone having a photo pictorial for wedding or something. So there's a lot of tilapia. Some of them are koi. They're just very shallow. You can tell. Perhaps it's going deeper right on the end, because only on this side is shallow. So this is what you expect to come here. You can kayak here on the lake, man-made lake, and also you can do your events and swim on the 600 square meter swimming pool. So you got the bridge. Of course, it's gonna be a selfie corner, and they had a man-made island in the middle. But I'll just walk around. That's what the kayak that you can hire to go around the lake. So I'm expecting this area to be deeper because they are renting kayaks. Someone's testing how deep it is. Why don't you jump in and swim? There you are. They have the kayaks there that you can rent out, and that little boat as well, the paddling boat. So it's a nice experience, different from what the resorts are in the city or in Mactan. That's beach resorts. This one is a mountain resort. That's why you can expect it to be man-made. That's the perimeter size of the area. So check it out here. So they got their docking station here for the kayaks and the paddling boat. But I remember that paddling boat, my experience in Japan is such a very big lake and really fun. This is just small, but the one in Japan was so big. I could see now they got koi fish around here. It's so big that sometimes it's scary because you might think that you're gonna be stuck there in the middle of that vast area of water right on the city. I can't remember where was that, but I know it was during my trip in Japan. I even had a video on my other channel, A Tourist in Japan, of all my footage and photos on my Japan trip. I'm looking forward to go back there again. Hundreds of fish here, you can see them. Tilapias, koi. So I'm just quickly coming here, and they charge 150 pesos for entrance weekdays and then 200 weekends. So I'll try to go back now. There's nothing much to see there. I have to walk over that bridge. But this will be a different experience for the locals, you know, a mountain resort, then a paddling, kayaking area, or maybe fishing because there's loads of tilapia there. They still has to develop all around, but they just opened last September 2020. So I reckon some of you haven't heard about this here. So as I. Anything for selfie, look at her. Or I think she's videoing her for her channel. Here I'll have to go up the bridge and have a look at the middle island.
Lawat ni sa kung saan. Mugat nagkay kung lawat din ako madaon. Ano na dukuan-dukuan.
So this is the Cascades Nature Park in Compostela, Cebu.